Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the government certificate within 5 minutes by attending a simple quiz. Okay? So it is not a joke. So by attending this quiz, you are going to get the government issued certificate from APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University within 5 to 10 minutes, right? So before going into the details and all, if you are planning to write the UGC NET 2020 exam, then the free lectures or the video courses are available for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, through my YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. And here we are going to see how to get the APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University quiz certificate, right? So it is the official website, you can see here, apjakunsscell.org, and you will enter into the National Service Scheme Cell, APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Government of Kerala. And here we have to enter the details. So after entering in the details, then we have to start the quiz. So I'm clicking on the start quiz. Then here it will be directed to this web page. So online quiz celebrating the Mahatma. So here the duration is 15 minutes, and here the question number 1 is that, so what were Mahatma Gandhi's weapon against British government? So all of you know that it is civil disobedience and non-violence. So and then go to the next. Then where did Mahatma Gandhi establish the Satyagraha Ashram? So it is located in Kochra. So click on this one and go to the next. Then who bestowed the title of Mahatma on Gandhi? So here I am clicking the Rabindranath Tagore and go to the next. So like that, here I am answering all the questions. So here the next one is, which university was founded by Mahatma Gandhi in Ahmedabad in 1920 with an aim to preserve Indian. So here I attempted all the questions and few seconds are remaining. So after completion of this time, then we're going to get the score. See here. Congratulations. Thank you very much for your participation. The total number of questions are 20 within 15 minutes. Right answers are 16 and wrong answers are 4. So here you can check the result also. So for your quiz purpose, I am just showing why, because whoever enter into this website, the same questions will be repeated. So here I am showing what were Mahatma Gandhi's weapon against British government. So the right answer is civil disobedience and non-violence. And Satyagraha Ashram is in Kochra. And who bestowed the title of Mahatma on Gandhiji? Rabindranath Tagore. And which university was founded by Mahatma Gandhi in Ahmedabad in 1920? It's in Gujarat Vidyapeeth. And who wrote the book M.K. Gandhi? That is Joseph J. Doe. And to become a barrister in England, one had to join one of the Inns of Court after obtaining admission. When did Gandhiji join the Inner Temple? 6 November 1888. And the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. Who spoke these words and what was he referring to? That is referring to P.T. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, death of Mahatma Gandhi. What was issued by Reserve Bank of India in 2015 to commemorate 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi's return from South Africa? So it is a 10 bimetallic coin, 10 rupees bimetallic coin. So which publication established by Mahatma Gandhi in 1903 became a tool for the political movement led by Gandhi and Indian Natal Congress to fight racial discrimination in South Africa? That is Indian Opinion. And which was a weekly publication started by Mahatma Gandhi to highlight the social and economic problems of India and the world? That is Harijan. Mahatma Gandhi was called half-naked fakir by Winston Churchill. And Indian National Congress declaration of Purna Swaraj on 31st December 1929. So Gandhiji suspended civil disobedience movement on the basis of incident, Chauri Chaura incident. So which book did Mahatma Gandhi write to express his views of human health? A Guide to Health. the prevalence of which controversial ordinance did urge Gandhiji to adopt Satyagraha for the first time? That is Asiatic Law Amendment Ordinance. And how many times the Mahatma Gandhi nominated for the Nobel Prize? 5 times. And during Mahatma Gandhi's stay in South Africa, he was evicted out of the first class compartment of a train. Facing racial discrimination. When and where did this happen? So it's happened in Pietermaritzburg railway station in 1893. So X, now known as Gandhi Smriti, is a museum dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi situated on 30th January Road, New Delhi, where he was assassinated on 30th Jan 1948. So who is this X is? Birla House. And Gandhi Chakra or spinning wheel movement was started as a part of boycotting textiles produced outside India. The do or die call of Mahatma Gandhi for freedom was happened at the time of Quit India movement. So these are all the questions and answers. And so click on this download certificate. Then the certificate will be downloaded. See here the certificate is downloaded. So it's a just process of 5 minutes hardly. So within 5 to 10 minutes, you will get the certificate. National Service Scheme Cell, APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. Certificate is to certify that Mr. or Mrs. Ashwini Kumar Gedi of JNTU. So like that, you are going to get the certificate, right? And here the date is also mentioned. So such type of certificates will be anyhow somewhere will be helpful that you are participated in so and so quiz and all these things, right? So guys, it is the update that I want to provide you. So if you want to try, you may try. And all the questions and the answers are also I did in this, I showed in this video. So you may try now, and within 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to get the certificate, right? So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, and don't forget to share the channel to your friends or colleagues. Thank you.